Hi everyone, we're going through a place called Ripailles to Lake Nicoliere, one of my favorite lakes, and it's got one of the best drives down. So definitely join us on this one. And we're off. Ripailles, there's a sign. We saw the Prime Minister put that up.
Yeah, we did actually.
We drove past and we were like,
a whole bunch of traffic jams.
what were all these people doing here? Why aren't they moving out of the way? And they're like, oh no, because the Prime Minister is doing something there, and something to do with the new drainage system. But
Yeah.
how's this road? It's like, it's just a cliff
It is
on
a bit of
either
a
side. Wow. And those are tomatoes. These are like wild tomatoes out in the field. They're not in hydroponic things.
Yeah, and they're not being eaten.
And they're not being eaten. And
They must be
cabbages.
getting
Cabbages, not
sprayed.
cabbages, what they're called.
But-
Cucumbers.
Cucumbers, okay.
Or those other ones.
Pumpkin?
Shushu.
Shushu. Maybe.
Anyway, yeah, that's not important. Don't worry about the vegetables. We know the names of everything. This is Ripailles village, and we don't know much about it, but there was a shop there, general retailer.
I think you also get to Kaiorati on this.
Okay.
So I've always been fascinated to go to
Yes, Kaiorati. We don't.
Kaiorati. Well, that's how it's written. Oh, purple I'm
Purple.
calling cabbages cucumbers.
Purple cucumbers. They have lots of vegetables up. It is
Yeah,
a lot
yeah.
cooler. It is a lot cooler up here.
I think they get quite a lot of rain as well still.
Yes, they do get a lot of rain here. And look, there's waterworks.
Water spewing out the ground, in fact.
Yeah, in fact, the guys put a hole in the ground and the water just spews out. But they're building some greenhouses and things up here.
Yeah, it's quite a agricultural area.
And it
Growing
looks,
vegetables and things, which is great because Mauritius needs to definitely grow more vegetables.
they definitely have what's at food security going on down here.
Yeah.
Chilies,
Wow.
loads of chilies. Oh, huh?
That's cool.
And there's some nice houses, and obviously they've got good cell signal here. Not one, but two towers.
It's like Goodlands.
Yeah, practically. No, hopefully their signal's better than what we had in Goodland, sharing with 50,000 other people. And the houses are not bad. I
No, it looks like a nice place.
It does look rather nice. And there's these little shops every now and then.
Yeah, so that you don't have too far to walk to go get
Yeah.
your general goodies.
It's probably literally as far as you have to go to get your stuff. Oh, and veggies on the side of the road.
Yeah, cool.
And there's l'Esprit and Quarter Militaire. Oh, you can go to Quarter.
Restaurants.
Oh, what? Welcome to Nouvelle Découverte.
Nouvelle Découverte.
Nouvelle Découverte.
I think that sounds about right.
Oh, that sounds very Frenchy. But we're in that now instead of Ripailles.
Yeah, wow.
So, wow, there's lots of buildings on our side, which you can't see, but there are loads of buildings down there. And some shops. And it just seems like, I mean, you can't see much in the way of how... Oh, we've gone too far down the hill now for you to see all those houses on the side. But there were
Factory.
loads.
Everything a small village needs.
Oh, okay, there's a
Shooting
bus
up.
stop. I'm just going to overtake him because I want to be ahead of the bus. Don't need you guys to be looking at the back end of a bus. And this is the hill that you see from, well, everywhere that's not part of Peter Bath. The one on the other side of Peter Bath. You know the one I mean. But this is it. This is, Peter Bath is like right on the side of us. If we look directly to our left now, we would see Peter Bath.
Would we?
Yeah. Well, there are houses there now, obviously. You won't see it now, you have to look forward. Oh, this is where the courts came. Courts. But anyway, so Peter Bath is directly behind us now. And more vegetables. So even this place has...
Yeah.
Wow, there are not many shops and things.
No,
And there are a lot of
far now
houses.
to get to your
Yeah.
daily goodies. No worries, dude. We'll
Yeah.
slow down a bit.
You know, we will more. So, like we had the vegetables, then we had village. Now we got the vegetables again. Huh?
Beautiful mountains next to us.
Yes.
I'm not going to show you guys out the window because it'll just be someone's wall at that point.
Yes. That's all we're seeing. But down this way is Well, there are loads of cars trying to overtake me. Obviously, I'm going way too slow for this village. I don't think I'm going slow, but... Oh, that's like an indoor-outdoor football field.
Yeah.
Oh. So they have some things here. And cold storage that is not really there anymore. And there's a government school. They actually have a government school down there. Oh, that's what the indoor-outdoor football field was for. The government school. But this road does carry on here, but we're going to turn off at once. Yeah, you'll see in a minute.
Yeah, I thought we were promised forest.
We
right?
can finally see the sea. We're going to get forest. Hang in there, guys. If you leave now, you miss the forest. You got to stay all the way to the end. Go to Lake Nicoliere. I don't think Tammy, I think Tammy weighs more than 1.5 tons. How heavy do you think Tammy is?
I don't know.
She's a 95 Toyota Corolla. Let me know if she's too heavy to go over this bridge. 1.5 tons.
I think she might be.
Yeah. Well, anyway, this is the start of the rally stage. Up and over. Whoa! Oh, it looks like they're doing some construction here.
Yeah, that's
This
weird.
would be a fantastic place to have a luxury apartment, what they called eco tents. Central Water Authority.
Yeah, water.
Oh, they're going to build water because Lake Nicoliere is a reservoir
Yeah.
and water comes through here. Oh, and they fixed this road.
Reservoir. Now we get the start of the awesome Nicoliere Road.
So the guys who jumped to this point, well done for choosing to get ahead. Oh, this is scary.
Love this road. Because now we're plummeting down that cliff,
Yes.
but kind of slowly.
Uh-huh. You can almost make out the reservoir.
But you can actually see the sea and everything over
Yeah, you just can't make it out at the moment, but I could see the wind turbines.
there. Yeah. Wow, look up in there.
It's so
Steep.
gloomy and steep and whoa, oncoming traffic. Oh, he's not slowing down. He knows how wide this road is.
Oh. I think if he could make it over the bridge.
Yeah, well, I don't know. Remember, Tammy's made from steel. Those guys are made from plastic. And it's like such a twisty road.
But it's really nice.
It is. The guys actually come and hike, just actually walk on this road.
Yeah, they do.
And they've actually fixed it up. It didn't used to have such a nice, smooth
Tar?
tar.
Yeah, they've redone it. It's really gorgeous.
Definitely redone it.
Love this area because it's right here and it's also so different.
And it's like, it's not Mauritius.
Super cool.
But it is Mauritius. It's just not a beach.
No, it's forest.
Run,
can see-
forest, run.
I can see Nicoliere to my left.
Can you?
Yeah, no, the lake keeps popping in between
You
the
just-
trees.
Between the trees. Oh, no, they haven't completely finished this road yet. Sorry about the bumps, everyone.
How cool is this?
Oh,
It's kind of
man,
like Black River Gorges, but it's up here in the north.
Yes, it's
So it's
deep,
really quite easy to get to.
and it's very much downhill. It is very, very downhilly.
That's
Yes,
more than 90 degrees.
we've been going, well, we're about to do the roundabout one, which is my favorite.
Ah!
But you can actually park here and there's a view. There's a viewpoint. So,
Okay.
oh, we're not going to park. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Wow, how was that turn?
Seen quite a few buses get stuck there.
Yes, there was one actually reversing. We were parked patiently on the road waiting for it to try and
Sorry
reverse.
guys for the bumpiness. I'm trying to hold you as steady as possible, but wow, it's difficult on these twists and turns.
It's twists and turns, and the road hasn't been fixed in all the places. Still got some potholes. Wow, this is a great piece of driving.
It's a lovely road. This is a really cool, like Sunday out, and then you stop in Nicoliere and have a picnic.
Yes, well, you're allowed to picnic at Nicoliere.
Gosh, you're just not allowed to picnic at the beach.
Oh, there we go. Bring a picnic to Lake Nicoliere. That would be the right place to do it.
Yeah. Wow.
Oh, I didn't know it was this long.
It is very
My
long.
ears are popping.
Of course.
Oh, what's that sign say?
Protect your nature,
Protect your nature, everyone.
for sure.
Oh, I just saw the road drop like way below us. So we're about to make a 180-degree turn. But if you didn't know, which I've forgotten this road completely, you'd get caught out by some of these. That was more than 180 degrees. Oh man. And now it's a different type of forest. This is like lowland forest.
It's dark.
Look at all those trees.
Oh, this is so nice.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh man.
Around we go again.
Oh wow.
Oh, that's a big tree.
Yeah, there are some big trees here.
It's gorgeous. Absolutely love it.
Yeah.
Wow. Oh, and you can hear birds.
Yes, you can. Well, you guys probably can't. But anyway, here we are. We're at the bottom. We can see Lake Nicoliere through the trees. And we're going to drive over the main wall, but I'll go slowly so that you guys can actually see it.
Nicoliere.
Just hints of it. And there's a truck. That truck is definitely more than 1.5 tons.
Yeah.
And this is the bridge.
Okay, wait for it, wait for it. After all that forest.
There's the lake.
Look at this.
Lake Nicoliere. With the sun on it. There's a better spot where we'll get past
Okay, no, we'll get somewhere better. But how cool is that drive down the forest?
That is an awesome piece of drive. And it's just got so much coolness.
Oh yeah, totally cool. I mean cool and cool.
Cool and cool. But we're not going to be able to see the lake. This bridge runs the whole way.
Yeah, you're going to have to pull in at your secret spot.
I have a secret spot, everyone.
But yeah, just before we came onto the bridge, that's where you can stop and have a picnic
look, yeah.
and got a viewpoint. But there's another little secret spot just around the corner here.
If it's open. It's not open.
They've closed our secret spot.
They've closed off the secret spot, everyone.
You used to be able to drive down there.
Yeah.
Then you could get to the lake edge. But now you can't.
Oh, sorry, everyone. Well, I hope you enjoyed that drive through the forest. It was fantastic. Well, anyway, everyone, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.